All right, don't mess with me. Come on. Right now I'm waiting on a phone call from a buddy of mine that I'm supposed to be hanging out with on Monday. And recently I've been feeling a little under the weather, so he keeps calling, checking up on me, making sure I'm good to go. And he's already texted me this morning asking if I still have COVID, but I haven't responded because I want him to call me so that, I don't know, maybe I can play a little prank on him and show him how I'm really feeling. So I'm gonna keep the camera rolling and wait for that phone call. Hello? Hello?
Mate, you still sound sick. That's it. It's done.
Hey! Hey! What are you doing? Can't really hate walking into that. So I was scrolling through Instagram earlier and I saw this video of a guy roller skating, and it reminded me that I have a pair of roller skates too. But I don't know where they are. Do you know where they are? Bingo. Found them. Alright, let's see if I remember how to do this. What do I do now? Forget. Give me a push. Give me a push. Push. Alright. Alright, go. Oh, shit. I need some practice. I was never any good anyway, but whatever little skill I did develop, it's gone. Pretty cool though, right? It's a shame I never really learned how to use them though. But I'm definitely gonna start. I mean, I haven't fallen yet, so that's a good sign, right? One thing I definitely do not know, and I never learned, is how to stop. That's the only way I know how to stop. Alright, don't mess with me, come on. Alright, that's enough for now. Definitely bringing those back to my place though, because I want to get some practice in. I want to get good at it, you know? I want to be able to go down the street. Alright, I'll see you around. Okay, bye-bye. No, you gotta stay. Bye. Ugh, I always hate leaving dogs alone. So some of you might be wondering, how did I get those skates? Well, I had them custom made and it took a long time and a lot of money. It probably cost me more to get them made than the actual sneakers cost. But I still think they turned out great. I made a whole other video about them. I'll put a link to it. And no, you cannot have them. You hear that? It's been raining all weekend. And with it being 4th of July weekend, there's two things I associate that with. Barbecues and fireworks. And no one's gonna have a barbecue in this weather. And the fireworks I originally planned to go see today were postponed, but I did find some other fireworks that are still going on in the city. So I'm gonna try to go see those. Even though it's raining, I'm gonna try to not let the rain ruin it, although I do plan on getting soaked. But like I said, it's 4th of July weekend. I need to see some fireworks. Who doesn't love fireworks? All right, I'm gonna be switching to the iPhone because at least that's a little more waterproof than this camera and a lot less expensive. But I'm gonna try to get some cool shots as well as try to stay a little dry, even though I know that's probably very unlikely, but let's do it. All right, if the rain stays like this, it shouldn't be too bad, but as long as it stays like this. So I'm at the edge of this pier, and fireworks should be starting in about 15 minutes. And they should be right up here. And I think I got a great spot, to be honest. Guess they started a little early. Have a good night, guys. Oh, wait, wait, wait. Hell yeah. Just when we thought it was over. All right, now it's over.
A few extra.